Here's how to export your project as an MP4 video from Premiere Pro using Adobe Media Encoder. Media Encoder is a relatively small program and comes with your Creative Cloud suite, so if you don't have it installed yet, just go ahead and do that right now. In Premiere Pro, you can deselect anything you might have selected in the timeline by clicking away from all of the items, and then go up to File and Export. Choose Send to Adobe Media Encoder. Media Encoder will open up right in front of your Premiere Pro window, but if it doesn't, you might need to minimize Premiere Pro to find it on the desktop. You should see your project listed here in the queue. There's a couple of columns with drop-down arrows and another column for where the output file would go. Let's first go back to this column on the left and click the drop-down and choose H.264. And then the next column, choose Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. And finally, if you want to change the location of your MP4 output file, you can click on that link and choose another directory on your computer. And then here in this column for status, it's just showing ready right now. All you need to do is just click right here on the green arrow. This is the Start Queue button. And then when you do that, you'll see down here in this panel the rendering process. Once it's completed, you can look back over in the status column. You can see that mine says done, which means it was completed successfully. If there was a problem, then you'd get a little error message there. If yours completed successfully, then you can just click on the link and view your video file.